Okay, hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am trying to do a video on my computer, so we're going to see how this one works versus doing it on my phone, because I want to show you this. This is a smartwatch, and it is the KS Pro by, I guess, Kieslect. Kieslect. So let's check this thing out. So this is the box here, and it looks like it has an app link maybe on here to download the app. Let's see if we can do this here. Okay, so I'm going to try to download the app here on my phone. So there it is, the Kieslect. So we're going to download that first. So while this is downloading, I'll be opening up the box and show you guys what it looks like, if I can. It's a very tight sealing box. Okay. Install. Oh, hold on a sec. I have to sign in. Okay, so here's the box. So we have this Kieslect, and then here is the box is empty. Here's the parts. So there's probably something in here, and then here we have the watch. It looks kind of Apple Watch-ish, and then we have a rubber band. So we have a band. That's it from this. So we have it comes with the band like this. And then we also have the additional band of that. And it looks like it uses the traditional band connections versus the Apple Watch, which have the slide things. So let's see what we got here. Let's just check out what's in the rest of the box here. It looks like it comes with a screen protector. That's going to be what that is. The manual. And then this is going to be the charging plug, which is going to have this little connection here. And it connects up to USB. So it's a kind of non-traditional charger. But let's see what the watch looks like here. It looks kind of nice. Oh, it's like a magnetized band. Very nice. And I like this band better than any of the other bands that I've used. So let's open this up here. Let's see if I peel off the top. And then we'll see if we can turn it on. See if we can figure it out. There. So let's see. Now it's turning on. So now I'm opening up the app here, and it's saying it wants to use Bluetooth, and I said okay. So we'll see what happens when it turns on. Oh, there it is right there. So let's see what we do here to connect it up. So we'll confirm. I guess I'm gonna have to create an account, but I can sign in with Apple. So create an account. Okay, I will agree to their stuff. It's once for my birthday. I'm just gonna pick a birthday that was before now, just to show you guys what it is. It's scanning for the watch. It finds it. Now I say connect. Move this down slightly. So now it's connecting to this thing, and now it says successful. So you're successfully connected to the device. So Bluetooth. So it says it would like to pair. So I'm going to say agree to doing all this pairing stuff. Bluetooth pairing request. I will say yes. Oops, you guys can't see it there. Say allow for notifications. A new upgrade version. Do we want to upgrade it now, or do we want to just use it? Don't really have a choice. I said upgrade now, so we're probably gonna have to wait for it to do this. But let's see. Oh, and it says on there upgrading. So once this is finished, I'll be back and show you guys how it all works. Okay, so it's updated, and I gotta say this band is the greatest. I wish my Apple Watch had this band on it, because see, it closes up like that and then just magnetizes on. So, okay, but let's take a look at some of the options on here. So you can see if you push this top button, it comes up with, is it the top button? Yeah, with different things you can do. And it is a scroll, just like the Apple Watch is. And I can do, oops, I don't know what I clicked. But let's see if I did, like camera. So it has this camera option. And when I do that, then it opens up a camera app on my phone. You can see, oh, there I am. And it lets you use it as a remote trigger for that. So how cool is that? So it just took a picture. Oh, no, took a picture of my face zoomed in. But you see, it's got like the connectivity to the phone, just like an Apple Watch or something like that would. So then, what other options? The music. Let's see what happens if I click music. It vibrates, but maybe I have to set it up or something. But I don't know. But so it's got music, it's got sleep, it's got an alarm, weather. I can see what the weather is. Yep, here in Argyle, it is correct. It's got my location. What else does it do? I guess it's got some sort of game connectivity on there too. AI voice, stress level, breathtaking, and I see it's got probably takes my heart rate there too, and then it's got activity, so you can record activities and you can do stuff. I think that's what the bottom button here was for. When I pushed that earlier, so I could say I want to do an outdoor run. Click that and it's going to track my run, and look at all the information it gives you on that one there, like more so than the other one. It gives you your steps, your blood, your beats per minute, how many calories you're using, all your cadence and miles and everything like that. It just gives you everything you could ever want on there. A lot more information, and it seems like they've customized this really good. And I gotta say, this screen is phenomenal. I don't know if you guys can see how clear it is. Oops, it turns off because I probably don't have it on my wrist. But you can see it's a very clear picture and everything like that. It really has a good screen on it. And then if I go back out of there, how do I exit this? I'll just say stop. Not sure how to exit out of there. Workout data is too little to save. Oh, I have to say okay. Okay. And then see, it's got the time on it there, and I guess it's synchronized with my phone, because that is the time here. And it's got the date, and it's got my oxygen levels, and just pretty much everything. It's even got the temperature outside, my activity. It says it's got 95% battery power. I guess it's got a lot of battery still left on it. It must have came charged. But how cool is this watch? This is really cool. It's the KS Pro Select. So I'm going to say this is good. It's not an Apple Watch killer necessarily, but if you wanted a less expensive version of a tracker watch that looks just like the Apple one, I mean, this is, well, I have the Ultra, so it's a bit different, but you can kind of see it's, similar size and stuff. So very cool. So thumbs up from me on this one here. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.